Hi guys, before starting today's video, I will like to request you guys to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any videos. Enough of the formalities, let's start now. So today I'm gonna make a tutorial about how to apply for DSU Milano Scholarship with our focus on University of Milan. It is not very different for Politecnico di Milano to Milano, sorry. So yes, as you can see, we have two links. This is for University of Milan, Unimi, Polimi. So I will make a tutorial on University of Milan, and yes, it is not very different for Polimi, so it can apply to that too. So yes, you can read about the scholarship here. You should also read this call, and I will go straight to the application form. So you must have your credentials, because when you applied for University of Milan, you applied for the admission, you registered. But here for this tutorial, I would like to make a new registration. So I will go here. So let me translate it for you. So I will have to choose a username. I can choose any username. It is just for the sake of tutorial. So I will choose Jon Snow. I hope it is available. Oh yeah, it is. Tick. So yes, you have to choose your password, first name, last name, email, confirm email, your mobile phone. If you're already in Pakistan and you don't have Italian, you can Italian number. Of course, you can select Pakistan. So yes, let me register, and then I will continue after logging in. So yes guys, I have registered as Jon Snow and now if you have to apply for the scholarship, you will have to go to this online dashboard, bags, accommodation, canteens. First one, yes, I wish to submit a request for benefits or modify an existing application. So personal details are already there. Yeah. Nation of birth, okay, Pakistan. Oh, but Jon Snow must not be a Pakistani. But who cares? Okay, I'm from Peshawar. I don't have a codice fiscale, so I will leave it. Otherwise, I can make it online, but not for now. Okay, so here most probably these are no for everyone. So my nationality is Pakistani, Alhamdulillah. And no, all praise to Allah Almighty. No, Alhamdulillah, no. Yes, you have to fill in all these. So residence, or I can straight away do save and next. Pakistan is required. Okay, sorry. I had to choose. If they have a list and they ask you to choose, you have to choose. You cannot just type and leave, which I was doing. So yes. So I will only fill the star parts which are compulsory to save some time. Pakistan. Okay, via Peshawar. Locality Peshawar. So save and next. Use the resident address, yes. Save and next. So university enrollment. You still have to, okay, go, choose one. Ho pagato la prima. So, okay, we will see this on Google Lens. Translate. I've paid the, oh yeah, I have not yet paid. Okay. I have not yet paid this area. Agrarie Elementari, choose one. Gloria Magistrale, master's degree. Biotechnology for the bioeconomy. First year. Status regolare, Milano. Pakistan. Government College, University of Hyderabad. Primo level. It is bachelor's, Gloria. So okay, let me translate for you guys. First degree, bachelor's, Government College, Milan, regular ongoing, master's degree, not yet paid. Okay. So it is not compulsory. If you have this well and good, you will receive this after enrollment, and the deadline for enrollment is 30th September. So yeah, go straight away. 2021, 2022. No, I don't have a second cycle degree in Italy. No, I have no interruptions. So here you have to select what you need. So for residences and apartments, 23 August is the last date. So if you want to live in the university hostel, scholarship hostel, you should select this. Contains a review, should select this, and leave these two for now, because they will ask you for further details about these two, which we don't tend to have. If you have already some international mobility like contract, you most probably don't have it. So leave it for now and choose these three. If you are late, if you couldn't apply for accommodation, then you just have to choose these two. Okay, save and next. Yeah, here, this is a tricky part. Okay, no, I didn't receive any benefit. So yes, no, this, I received a lot of questions about this. Only member, hopefully, and most probably, no. So I will just add one family member. So you should select here, no. Okay. You should not indicate anyone as a part of your easy statement, because one can be the part of your easy statement only if he earns in Italy. So see, if you say yes, they ask your tax code. No, no tax code. So write Andrew Snow is my brother, so I can write and Snow, Andrew, and I can write the date of birth, single, and then degree of kinship. So okay, this way, like if you have five other family members not including you, you should mention all of them. You should save, then you can add further, like your father, mother, brother, sister, all of them. So to save time, I will say yes. Then I don't have to mention anyone. So save and next. Qualification, if you have graduate, if you are about to graduate, so graduate, save and next. So yes, student status. No, of course no. More than 90. You're not from Milan, so it must take more than 90. Accommodation preferences, if you are applying for the accommodation, you have to prefer them. Like I prefer, let me prefer in a random order without any search through Google Maps. I will suggest you to search it through Google Maps, which is the nearest to your department. So yes, save and next to save time. Oops, no, of course. 20 hours for no. Yeah. So bank details, they will tell you that you will receive a card after you get the scholarship and something like that. You can read it on your own. You don't have to fill in anything here. So save and next. No, you are done. And the next section you need to fill in is summary page. Go check, double check everything, see if there is any mistake or not. Hopefully there will not be, and then click this and confirm. I will not confirm because it was only a tutorial, but I can tell you that after confirming they will ask you for two documents, and one of those will be your bachelor's degree, which you must upload by 30th September. And the second one will be COVID vaccination. That is required only if you are applying for accommodation too. But thankfully its deadline is 31st December. I'm not yet sure which vaccines they accept. I will tell you as soon as I get to know about it. So good luck, apply as soon as possible, and goodbye.